Removing the CD joint drive shaft on a Nissan Dualis 2012 involves several steps. Here's a general overview of the process. Remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Loosen the drive shaft nut. Remove the ABS sensor if equipped by unplugging the wiring connector and removing the bolt holding it in place. Remove the brake caliper and hang it up using a wire or bungee cord to avoid damaging the brake hose. Remove the steering knuckle nuts and bolts. Pull the steering knuckle and hub assembly away from the vehicle until the CD joint is free from the hub. Remove the retainer. Remove the CD joint drive shaft. Ensure that the new CD joint drive shaft is the correct part for your vehicle. Apply a small amount of multi-purpose grease to the splines and threads of the new CD joint. Gently insert the new CD joint into the transmission and push it in until it clicks into place. Install the other end of the CD joint drive shaft into the wheel hub assembly. Insert the axle nut and tighten it until it is snug. Use a torque wrench to tighten the axle nut to the manufacturer's specification. Use a torque wrench to tighten the CD joint retaining bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Reinstall the ABS sensor by installing the bolt and plugging in the wiring connector. Install the brake rotor and caliper back onto the wheel hub assembly and tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Test drive the vehicle to ensure proper function and listen for any unusual noises or vibrations. It's important to follow manufacturer guidelines and safety precautions when performing this repair. Additionally, it's recommended to use new hardware and torque all bolts to their proper specification.